Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to play Dalgona.
Yes.
Not coffee.
Okay.
Cookies.
Dalgona.
Oh.
Here. Oh, gonna go out.
Me.
Dinosaurs, girl.
Now, what are you gonna
What are
do?
you going to do?
I'm choose.
Do you know what's inside? No? You didn't see it? Oh.
I only see the circle, sabi ko.
Now we're gonna choose what shape.
This is middle. The one from the middle before.
Elia, choose this one. Okay. Ayan na
That's
sa'yo,
yours?
finals.
Final?
Are you sure? You can change pa if you want.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm
Later
sure.
may open. Game, dad. Oh, well, bakit
Ay,
sinalag?
nais ko lang. Oh. Nothing wrong with that.
Wag ka sumalat.
Hindi naman nasasal. Game. Let's put it outside the envelope.
Sabay-sabay.
Okay, let's
Okay.
feel if it's kind of...
Open, let's open it.
1, 2, open it. And then...
Isa star.
Oh, isa!
Yours is easy.
Mine is easy.
Mine is medyo and mine is hard.
Oh,
Yeah.
sabihin mo sa kanila anong price natin.
What will be the price?
Pag nanalo ko, sinong unang matapos?
Mine is Robux.
Robux.
From Roblox.
Okay.
Sino unang matapos na matanggal ang panalo? Isa lang ang mananalo.
Okay.
Ngayon, ang price nila ay Robux. Kay Daddy ay rides.
Daddy will have a ride.
Sa akin ay pang Shopee.
Yes. Okay. Are we ready? Where's your pin? Where's your needle?
Wala tayong time limit.
Walang
Basta
time
kung sino
limit.
lang ang maunang makatanggal ng shape.
Nung shape.
Mommy, it's so oily.
Asan na yung
yeah.
middle ko?
It's so oily, Mommy. Can I
Oh.
just put it in the plastic?
Okay.
Careful, ah.
Game starts now na. Starts
Wait
now.
lang. Wait lang.
Careful, I'll help you. I'll help you.
My cookie is so oily.
Sister?
Ah!
Sa likod mo, Dad. Mine is good. Ano sa akin, umbrella? Show mo sa viewers mo. Ah, open mo
Careful, ah.
tapos. Yan.
Can I just put it here?
Yeah, okay.
Wala.
We need some lighter.
Careful.
Or I'm gonna
Can
dila
I have
it.
your
I think gonna
needle?
dilak na lang.
Can I have your needle?
Be careful not to
Ay, ang
break
sarap.
it, kiddo, ah.
Taste it, anak. Taste it.
Be careful not to
No.
break it, ah.
Look at ma'am.
I don't need that. I don't need that.
Ang sarap
You don't like your needle?
Yeah.
Where's your needle?
I give
Oh,
it
ito,
to
ito,
you.
daddy, oh.
Okay, why is it not working?
Can you give me the lighter? Dad, nandiyan sa'yo.
Why is it not working?
Ang sarap pala nito.
Isa pale.
Dilana na lang ako. Look at me, oh.
Lick at the back.
It's too sweet.
Yeah, it tastes good.
It's too sweet. I hate it.
Wala, nagkakakrak yung akin. Pag nasira na, eliminated na.
Pwede namang masira yung gilid, eh. Basta yung
Ouchie.
gitna.
Kaya nga, yung pag nasira
My
yung
teeth
shape
hurts.
niya,
Your
yung...
teeth
Biting it.
Don't bite.
Don't bite. It's hard. Uy, ayun na.
Wow. Yours is so lucky naman.
It's sarap na, Daddy.
Daddy,
Taste-
why are you eating it?
It tastes like my,
Yung...
childhood candy.
Yeah,
I
yung
tasted it.
bilog siya pahaba.
Mhm.
Yun nga din ang lasang
Dalgona pala yun, no?
Yung parang may dark
Mm-hmm.
brown, tapos may light brown yung kulay niya na pini... Ang sarap.
Were you both licking it?
Yeah.
Because it's yummy.
Ay!
Daddy is eliminated. Bang! Oh, cheer mo na lang kami mag-ina.
Now you can just
I
eat
broke
it.
Ano ba yun? Zero lang yun sa'yo.
Kinagat ko kasi.
It's... Hello, Mommy.
Akin nga, oh, may crack no.
Mommy.
Paano pag na-eliminate ako? Sila yan ang
winner.
Winner? Ah.
It's really hard. So
Yeah.
I'm just like this long. Like this.
Kaya nga dapat it has to be wet.
Mm-mm. Hindi pa matusok. Ayun, natusok ko na. Uy!
Can I also try your trick?
You need to lick it para maglumambot, tapos matutusok mo kasi kapag hindi mo nililik, hindi siya matigas. Ayan na!
It tastes kind of bitter.
A little bitter.
Ayun, sayang.
Guys, natutusok ko na siya, guys.
I hate it. It tastes like coffee. I hate mga like this.
Ay! Ay! Ah!
What is it?
No! Buo pa.
Ah!
Wow. Buo pa, di ba? Pwede ba?
Look,
Buo pa
mine
naman.
sakat.
Dad! Buo, di ba? Kasi itusok it. Ay, dila mo na. Effective yung ano, palalambutin ng laway yung dalgona.
It tastes like coffee.
Ano?
Why are you been?
Hala,
Bigla
there's a
kang
tiny
tumahimik.
Kasi may nahulog eh.
Nilaglag na tahimik bigla.
Buo pa, Dad. Buo pa.
La!
Ito lang yung nalaglag, oh.
Yeah.
Pakita mo nga sa video. Baka sabihin, dinadaya ko yung anak mo. Ayan lang yung nalaglag, oh. Pakita mo din, i-focus mo. Ayan lang yung nalaglag. Tingnan mo, buo pa yung akin. Anak, tatanggal na siya. Dilaan ng dilaan, anak, sa likod.
Okay, fine.
Ang hirap kasi merong mga ano, ayan, oh. Malagkit lang siya. Ay, may lasa? Di wag mo na dilaan.
Kung hindi nabali yung panalo ko.
Oo.
Ang linis ng tanggal. No?
It's meant to happen. Kasi circle ka na, na-dead ka pa. Agad. Ikaw pa pinakauna na dead.
Haha. Oh. See that? Then let me just... Ouch. So
Be careful,
lagkit
ha?
sa envelope. So lagkit.
Oh!
What happened?
Itanggal. Here.
What? Parang you're gonna win.
Yeah, I think so. Baka may hard part pa ako. Diba? Anin ko lang tong sobra. Kasi may sobra, diba?
Parang gusto ko ng coffee.
Guys, malapit na.
May coffee pa ba? Tingnan mo.
Mom, you're talking to the air.
Hindi na ko init. Lovers.
Yeah.
It's a slime making.
Slime. DIY slime.
Yeah. I'm I'm the big version of Bananas
Hala,
World Jam.
sira yung akin. Matusukan.
See?
Nasira.
If you're patient, you win.
Nasira.
See? What do you get when you're patient? Huh?
I win. But Daddy, it's really hard to cut it. This one.
Yung competitive na mami. Walang pan-shopping.
Dad, it's really hard to cut it. So I'll just cut
Mommy.
this one.
Eliminated!
Ang panalo. Yay!
Ulit, ano tayo? Intro natin. Dito ka, kiddo. So, the winner is...
Elia!
Win, 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 win!
Wala
So,
kahirap-hirap.
Oo nga eh, no? So, what did you learn from this game?
Be patient.
Mommy, so competitive pa naman.
Yeah,
What I get is just this one only. Oh wait,
how much
maybe
is it?
maybe you can see it.
You can
Sorry,
see it,
it's
wait.
just 400 Robux only.
Show nga, show,
worth
show.
of
It's just 400.
400 Robux.
How much is that? 200?
69.
Okay.
That's her price.
That's her price. So, we will buy 400 Robux. Click it na.
I'm so happy. Wow.
Ano yan?
Payment successful.
Payment successful. 488 Robux.
Show mo na yung Robux mo.
488. Oh wait, 488. Yay!
Okay. Oh, sige. Ano ka na sa kanila? Thank you for watching ka na.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to my channel. Bye!
Bye!
Oh wait. We're also the other part of We Are Manala.
Bye!